everyone, today we are going to learn about the cell, the basic unit of life. Have you ever wondered what our body, plants, animals and even tiny bacteria are made of? The answer is cells. What is a cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of life. We have read this definition many times, but what is the meaning? What does that mean? So, if we talk about the structural unit, it means a cell is called the structural unit because it builds the body of living organisms. For example, think of a house. A house is made up of many bricks. In the same way, living organisms are made up of many cells, trillions of cells. Just as a house cannot exist without bricks, living organisms, their bodies, they cannot exist without cells. So that is why it is called structural unit, smallest structural unit of a body. Why is it called functional unit? A cell is called the functional unit because it performs all the activities necessary for life. Because it performs, it functions, it makes a body function. That is why it is called smallest functional unit. For example, just as workers in a factory perform different types of jobs, cells perform different types of important activities in our body, such as growth, respiration, repair, reproduction. All life processes that are being taken place in our body, that are going on inside our body, it is due to cells. They are taking place in cells. So that is why cells are called smallest structural and smallest functional unit of life. All life processes are taking place inside cells that are making our body work and making us survive. Let's take one more example. Human body. Let's example of human body. Your body is made up of trillions of cells and different cells perform different functions. For example, heart cells help the heart beat continuously. Without these cells, heart cannot pump blood. And if we have nerve cells carry messages between different parts of body. For example, when you touch a hot object, nerve cells quickly send a message to your brain that don't touch it, it is very hot. Right? So blood cells, red blood cells transport oxygen to all parts of your body. So they act as delivery vehicles carrying oxygen wherever it is needed. So different body cells are performing different types of activities and